Okay, part 2. We're going to take the back plate out, and I'm going to try and see if I can't get some light in there to kind of show you what I'm talking about. See if I can't zoom in a little bit. I don't know if I'll get enough light to actually show you all what I'm talking about, but let's see if I can't go further back. Okay, that's better. Now you see that piece right there, where the little opening is? That's a little piece of pipe. If you don't get that piece of pipe out first, it's a pain in the butt to get it out because it'll wedge in there. Trust me, I've done it, I know. So when you go to remove the back plate, remove that piece of pipe right there, that little piece of pipe. Go ahead and beat it out, and make sure you get that little piece of pipe out. Okay, here we go. Alright, and to get that little piece of pipe out, we're just going to use the tire iron. What we're going to do is we're going to beat it around the hole, get a nice big hole, and then we're going to pull that piece of pipe out. The piece of pipe's already loose, they're not in there, but with a couple of there we go. I might have to go with this. No. You have to do this the hard way. And the metal's not that hard to break through. It's not taking much. Just you're kind of in an awkward position. But the metal's nothing to break through. Just want to make a nice big hole. You just take the tire and kind of spin it until you get that hole all in up really good. Burned out.